put them in jail, go to jail, and beat them in jail.
And then leave jail and...
Wait, so how are you going to females protect
You videoing?
Hi. Put him in jail.
Mad
Hi.
You can be a very ugly girl.
I like to be on camera, as you can see. Okay, I'm done now. My feet feel like they're gonna die.
Ready?
Huh?
Oh shit.
Head.
Better watch out before you get in that water.
Hell yeah.
That hurt.
Really?
Yes, thanks. You're gonna have to learn.
Whoa, ghostly
You're missing
hands.
Oh, Terry.
Fight me, I'll kill you. What's that? Ow!
Bye, Gibby. Yay, Amanda!
That'd be funny though. Well, not really funny.
No!
Okay, back on the
I got a
What?
What? Why?
Oh.
Hey, Amanda.